How to cook yema. 370 for tea. 2 sugar. 1/4 butter. It shouldn't be loud. You should have the right tune. First put the white sugar. Just mix until it doesn't melt. When melted, add 1/4 of the butter. Mix until the two ingredients are combined. Just like that. The butter and sugar have come together. And if you see something sticking together, the fire will be stronger. When the ingredients are mixed, you can add the condensate slowly. Just stir slowly and turn up the heat a bit to melt the white sugar. That's already melted. Add water if you want and don't overdo the heat so it doesn't harden. That's what I want thick. What kind of thick or cold do you want? It's done, yahi.